For years, one app has ruled the world of instant messaging: WhatsApp, with over 3 billion monthly active users globally and nearly 600 million users in India alone. WhatsApp is the backbone of digital communication. We send over 100 billion messages every single day on this platform. It's powerful, it's ubiquitous, but recently, its reign has been challenged. Developed by the homegrown tech giant Zoho Corporation, Aratai, which means chat or conversation in Tamil, is an Indian instant messaging application. While WhatsApp has dominated the market, Aratai is stepping up, aiming to be trusted, secure, and truly made in India alternative. But can this challenger truly take on the global giant? Let's find out how Aratai plans to carve out its future. Aratai didn't arrive quietly. It arrived during a digital revolution driven by necessity. The app was soft launched in January 2021, precisely when WhatsApp announced controversial updates to its privacy policy. This trigger led to a surge in interest for privacy-focused and Indian-origin messaging services. Zoho, leveraging its 10+ years of experience building enterprise communication and collaboration apps, stepped in. They positioned Aratai as an app built with a strong focus on privacy and security. The promise was clear. Aratai is simple, secure, and Indian made. Crucially, the company emphasizes that they value privacy, assuring users that their calls and messages are end-to-end encrypted, and promising users that user data will not be shared with third parties. Furthermore, all user data is stored in Indian data centers. While Aratai was ready early, its breakthrough movement arrived much later. In September 2025, Aratai experienced a massive surge in adoption. This wasn't gradual growth. It was explosive. Daily sign-ups skyrocketed 100-fold, jumping from approximately 3,000 to more than 350,000 in just 3 days. This growth was so rapid that it temporarily strained Zoho's infrastructure, prompting the company to rapidly scale servers and capacity. The visibility boost was undeniable. Aratai reached the top position in Apple's App Store charts for social networking category in India. The momentum was further fueled by endorsements from prominent figures, including Indian government officials who praised Aratai as free, easy to use, secure, and safe. The message was being heard. Aratai was officially a major domestic rival. To challenge WhatsApp, Aratai must offer parity in core features, and it does. Aratai is a versatile free communication app, just like the global leader. Aratai allows you to send texts and voice notes, make audio and video calls, and share key moments with loved ones through stories. Users can share images, documents, videos, and various media files. Communication is facilitated through instant chatting groups, and for broadcasting content to a large audience, there are dedicated channels. Users can also express themselves in a fun way using custom and animated stickers and reactions. Furthermore, Aratai is built for cross-platform utility. You can use it across multiple devices, smartphones, tablets, desktops, and link up to 5 devices simultaneously, with all your messages, contacts, and settings securely synced. And for those wary of making the switch due to old messages, well, Aratai offers a smooth transition. Chats can be exported from WhatsApp and imported into Aratai. This includes both one-on-one group chats, though the process must be done individually for each conversation. Merrily matching features isn't enough to dethrone a king. Aratai needs game-changing differentiators, and Zoho has provided a few that directly challenge the established norms of global messaging apps. First, consider meetings. Aratai offers video calls that are comparable to professional platforms like Zoom and Google Meet, potentially surpassing WhatsApp's native video calling capabilities. This feature, accessible from the bottom dock, allows users to start instant calls, join meetings, or schedule future ones. Second, there is the Pocket feature. This is a private, secure space separate from your chats where you can save notes, images, videos, and reminders. While WhatsApp has a chat with yourself function, Aratai's Pocket feature is specifically designed as a secure way to organize personal content, offering end-to-end encryption for this private space. Third, Aratai has a crucial advantage in user experience: no advertisements. Aratai assures users that it will not display ads, keeping the experience simple. Related to this, Aratai currently has no AI integration, steering clear of automated suggestions or AI-driven interactions that platforms like Meta are increasingly forcing upon users. Finally, for group communication, Aratai includes a mentions feature, similar to Slack, which collects all messages that reference a user. This helps users track notifications and conversations more easily, solving a common challenge faced by users on other platforms. Privacy is Aratai's main selling point, and they have implemented robust security features. Aratai strives to provide a safe communication experience for everyone, with calls being encrypted end-to-end. However, this is where the challenge faces its most critical roadblock. While Aratai offers end-to-end encryption for audio and video calls, a crucial security gap exists. Critics and analysts have pointed out that plain text messages themselves are not fully protected, and that the app lacks complete end-to-end encryption for text messages. While Aratai is steadily building its space in the market as a proudly Indian alternative, security experts highlight that if Zoho wishes to truly compete with platforms that offer full end-to-end encryption for all messages, like WhatsApp does, this security gap must be fixed. Beyond features and encryption, Aratai faces two massive challenges: scale and identity. In terms of user base, Aratai has crossed 1 million users. While phenomenal growth, this pales in comparison to WhatsApp's estimated 500 million plus users in India. Aratai is still far smaller in reach. Tapping into national sentiment has given it a visibility boost, but network effects are really hard to overcome. Aratai represents more than just another messaging app. It embodies the demand for secure, homegrown digital solutions. Built by Zoho, leveraging years of enterprise expertise, it offers unique features like advanced meetings and a secure pocket, all while promising no ads. It has proven its potential with an unprecedented 100 times surge in signups. If Zoho can successfully address the crucial need for full end-to-end encryption for text messages and navigate the challenges of scale and identity, Aratai might not just be an alternative. It might just become the next big thing in how Indians stay connected. Tell us what you think in the comments below, and if you enjoy deep dives into stories that define our future, make sure you subscribe to The Big Picture, where thoughts come alive.